Easy and short English conversation. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm very well. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Jennifer. And what's your name?
My name is David. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam. And you?
I'm from the United States. Where do you live?
I live in Vietnam. And you?
I live in Brazil. What city are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from New York. Are you here for the first time?
Yes. I have never been here before.
Do you speak English?
Yes. I do. I can speak it a little.
How long have you been here?
For 2 weeks.
Do you like this place?
Yeah, this place is really good.
Can you tell me how to get to this place?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Would you like to live abroad?
Sorry, what do you mean?
Okay, would you like to live in another country?
Why not?
What are you doing to do tomorrow?
Well, I think I'll be free, so we can meet. Are you free tomorrow? Let me think. Yeah.
What about going to the restaurant?
That would be great.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I suppose I'll go to the park with my friends.
Can I join you?
Sure.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to work. Then I went to a cafe.
How do you usually spend your free time?
You know, I usually learn English or watch TV.
How old are you?
I'm 29. And you?
I'm 29, too.
So we are the same age.
Do you work or study?
I study.
Where do you study?
I study at university.
Do you work or study?
I work.
Where do you work?
I work for an international company.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
English.
What's your mother tongue?
Spanish.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What's your native city?
Los Angeles.
Do you like the city?
Yeah, I really like living here.
How many foreign languages do you know?
2, I can speak English and Italian.
How long have you learning English?
For about 2 years.
How long have you been working here?
For 2 months.
Do you like your job?
Yeah.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I'll live alone.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you have children?
Yes, I do. I have a son and a daughter.
Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a house.
Would you like to have your own business?
You know, it's an interesting idea, but I think that I need to get some work experience first.
Is your work far from home?
No, it's near.
How long does it take you to get to work?
It's usually 1 hour and a half.
How many days a week do you work?
It's usually 5 days a week.
How do you usually get to work?
By car.
How do you usually get to school?
On foot.
Do you have a dog or a cat?
I have a dog. And you?
I have a cat. Do you have some things over work?
I don't really like it. But some things I have to do it.
Are you paid for it additionally?
Not always.
Can I try on this dress?
Sure.
How much is it?
It's $25.
How much does it cost?
40 pounds.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Do you understand me?
Yeah. Go on, please.
Do you understand native speakers?
Not always. They speak so fast.
The party started an hour ago.
Sorry for coming late.
Let's go to the cinema.
Why not? I think it's a good idea.
What about changing the subject?
No problem.
Do you think English is easy?
To be honest, I don't think so. And what's your opinion?
What time do you usually get up?
At 8 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you usually go to bed?
After midnight.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat a sandwich and a glass of juice.
What's the weather like today?
It's really hot.
What kind of weather do you like?
I like it when it's warm and sunny.
What time is it now?
It's 8 o'clock in the evening.
What time is it now?
It's 10:30.
Could you tell me the time, please?
It's 6:45.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. We'd like 2 glasses of fresh orange juice.
Are you ready?
Not yet.
How much is the ticket?
$10.
How much money do you get?
$1,200 a month.
Is it enough for you?
Well, it's quite good.
How much money would you like to earn?
Well, if I earned $3,500 a month, it would be great.
Are you satisfied with your job?
Not fully. It's very monotonous.
Do you think I should do it?
It's up to you.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
Cross the street. Then go about 200 meters. And you'll see it on the left. How far is the airport? It's 20 kilometers from here.
What's your father's job?
He is a bus driver.
What's your mother's job?
She is a teacher.
Are you subscribed to many channels?
I think it's about 25.
Do you often read newspapers or magazines?
Will, I prefer to read different articles online.
I'd like to congratulate you on passing the exam.
Thank you very much.
Would you like a cup of tea?
With pleasure.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Can you take to me now?
Sure.
Are you busy at the moment?
Not really. What would you like to tell me?
How can I improve my English?
I think you need to study it regularly using good resources.
How can I improve my grammar?
Watch some good video course on grammar and do more exercises.
How can I improve my listening skills?
You need to listen more.
How can I improve my speaking skills?
If were you, I would find a speaking partner.
Have you ever been abroad?
Several times.
When were you abroad last time?
Last year.
Have you ever been to America?
Not yet.
What time can I call you?
Feel free to call me anytime.
What are you going to do now?
I think I'll turn on the computer and check my email.
Where do you come from?
I come from Canada.
Do you like traveling?
I really like it. I often go to other countries.
Are you fond of sport?
Yeah, I can't imagine my life without it.
How do you look after your health?
I go to the gym twice a week and do physical exercises at home.
Do you like staying at home?
I find it very boring.
Do you often go out with your friends?
I often do it. It's my way of life.
Have a good weekend.
You too.
Can I come in?
Yes, please.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. I'm really glad to help you.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Let's change the day of our meeting.
Okay, what day is convenient for you?
The day after tomorrow.
Okay. How is the dress?
It looks so beautiful. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
Hi, how are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine. Are you a student? Yes, I study computer science at the university.
Really?
I study accounting. Great. It is really nice to meet you. What year are you in? I am in my last year of technology school. Wow, great. You must be so happy that you will graduate soon. Yes. I am so happy. What year of accounting school are you in? I am in my 3rd year of accounting school. Great. Do you like accounting school? Yes. I love accounting school. I have to go. Maybe we can meet for coffee. Yes, that sounds great. I will call. See you soon. Great. Bye.